Just eat. 2, 3, 4,
I'm looking at you how
five,
you make it.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then 9 of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 of it. Oh, so this is the extra. I'm gonna remove the extra. Ba't ba ako nag-i-English? Stilan. Napinistilan. Okay. The instruction said, ang hirap ng instruction. First, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Unahin ang 2, 4, 6, dalawa. Dalawang 6. Tignan mo, paano mo kaya maintindihan yun? Ayun, no?
Nakabuo na.
Nakabuo na. Dalawang 4. Isa.
Ang liliit pa ng pinaghahawakan.
Dalawa. Tapos, sa ilalim niya, una ay piste. Ito pala mauuna. Sa ilalim.
Dapat yung araw pa ganyan, no?
Oo.
Balik.
Okay. Hirap. 1, 2. Dalawang ganon. 1, 2. 1, 2. Sultani, yan ba?
I'm looking at you.
1, 2.
Do you know what is this?
Kakalok mo sa akin, ikaw gagawa nito.
And
1,
this
2.
one is a t-shirt.
1, 2. 1, 2. Hindi, ano daw ba yung pinagpapatungan
No,
ko?
I
Tisha?
didn't.
That's you. I'm sorry.
Calm down. It's okay. It's okay.
Tissue lang kasi
And
narinig
this
ko.
one is it a t-shirt.
Yes, yes, it's a tissue.
Now you're gonna build a
Tissue lang ang
penguin.
nabuong rinig
Yeah,
ko.
I will. I will gonna build a penguin. Le.
Oh, this one's a girl. Is it Jamu? Is it the pink, the somewhere that is called?
What it's called? Ah, the one live in the cold?
Yeah,
Yes.
the gray one.
At no, hindi nakikita yung mata ko.
Do you know?